So this is where they do the coloring on the roof. And this is, they're making the golden butter brass color here. This right here, DJ is making the copper color, which uses nitric acid and a lot of heat. This will be a beautiful golden brown afterwards. It looks very red now. And just so you can see that this is basically the raw brass. So it's just a shiny brass. So this is the foundation of every brass statue that India sells, more or less. And then here are some more colors. Some more raw brass statues. And here some guys are just working on this Ganesh, making an antique color. A lot of raw statues waiting to be colored. No, it's okay. Keep going. Everything good? Good.